Hi, welcome to the Forecasters tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use one of our add-ons, the Forecaster. Forecast your demand using statistical algorithm based on historical data. As you can see, there are two possible demos to be played. For this tutorial we will see both demos, starting with Demo 1. After pressing the Demo 1 button, a new Excel sheet is automatically generated. In this sheet, in column A, there is an explanation of which data to enter for each columns of the tables. Furthermore, there is the explanation of the Settings and Parameters tabs. Before we started to explain the Inputs and Outputs tables, let's give a quick look at the Settings and Parameters tabs. In the Settings tab, you can configure the columns that contain your input data and where you want to write the forecast output data. In the Log and Params tab there is a section called Warning Log, where it is possible to read the warnings log. Furthermore, there is the possibility to set two parameters, the forecast length, that corresponds to the number of bucket to forecast. The seasonality, that is the frequency in which a seasonal behavior should be searched. Forecaster tables consist of just only one table. This table is essentially a matrix containing history data for each SKU user needs to predict. The header containing SKU names is mandatory to orientate the matrix. Last, a matrix represents the area where outputs will be right. When all the data is entered and after verifying that all columns are set correctly in the Settings tab, the user just needs to press Forecast button and wait few seconds to see its outputs ranges filled with the forecast results. In this first demo, since no seasonality of period 12 can be observed, data are predicted using regression algorithm that provides the following output. Pressing Demo 2 button, a new Excel sheet is generated. This new demo shows how Forecaster add-in works with seasonal data. In this case, since seasonal behavior can be observed in history data, an algorithm that manages seasonality can be used. It is important to set correctly the seasonality parameters. Changing it to a value different from 12, algorithm will no more able to detect recurrent pattern and simple regression algorithm will be used. Thanks for watching this video and remember to visit our website AI4Excel.com, to stay updated on all our add-ons and to contact us.